I'll never forget the time when I was too afraid to walk into a store with my item that I had purchased and want to return it and get a refund. It wasn't so much about the refund itself, it was more about an inner strength that I had not yet developed. If you are shy or an introvert or more sensitive like I am, I know how you feel. You don't want to come into a potentially conflict situation, so you hold yourself back and you don't speak up. But what does that mean? You don't get a lot of what you want in this life. Guess what? You haven't lost your voice. Your voice is still there. It's just a question of learning how to come back and drop it down and come into full presence and come into and tap into your intention. So try that right now. Just imagine that there's a situation where you need to speak up, assert yourself, but you feel hesitant. Take a breath, a full breath, and you see my hands doing this. Drop down energetically to a core inside and feel yourself come back to this now moment and feel your intention. Feel the strength that's inside of your gut. If you'd like to learn more about how to use mindfulness and become more confident whenever it is you have to speak, whether it's on a stage or whether it's even just one-to-one or in small group interactions, I have a masterclass coming up, and the link is in the comments below. It's called Speak with Confidence. 3 secrets to overcome fear and be able to find your voice.